Just like that, 86 people with families, responsibilities, and dreams were fired from their jobs a couple of weeks ago and replaced with, wait for it, AI. With this radical move, everyone keeps wondering, am I next? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to secure your income with AI even if you lose your job today. Let's go. So recently, Chowdeck, a fast-growing food startup in Nigeria, made headlines by replacing 86 employees with AI-driven automation. Yes, you heard that right. In one swift move, the jobs of 24 people were condensed into what only 2 individuals can handle thanks to digital tech and AI upgrades. So, according to reports, affected staff were given severance packages along with 3 months' salary. While this might sound like a temporary cushion, it's a signal that traditional work model is being overhauled by technology. And it's not just happening in Nigeria. Similar trends are emerging across the globe, including Europe, where companies are restructuring and letting go of workers. This isn't just about one company or one country. It's about the future of work and your ability to secure your income in an era where AI is reshaping industries. Come on, let's be real. Job security is an illusion. At least Chowdeck's decision has proven that right in our faces. Every day, companies are looking for ways to upgrade their operations and become leaner to save costs while maintaining efficiency, and AI is providing just that. Imagine this. If a company can replace 24 employees with a system that requires just 2 people to manage, then what does that mean for your job tomorrow? But there's a flip side. While companies are cutting jobs, AI is creating an enormous opportunity for you. Instead of waiting for a salary, why not leverage AI to build your own income? Myself, I built a 7-figure business by leveraging AI automation, and my journey wasn't about working 12-hour shifts. It was about working smarter, not harder. The truth is, AI isn't here to steal your job if you learn to use it to your advantage. It's here to give you the tools to create passive income stream, automate side hustles, and secure your financial future even if your employee decides to fire you today. So how can you do this? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Educate yourself on AI tools. There are plenty of free and low-cost courses online that can teach you the basics of AI automation. Whether it's for content creation, digital marketing, or automating routine tasks, the key is to start small and build your knowledge gradually. Step 2. Choose one AI-powered income stream. You don't need to do it all. Choose one side hustle that resonates with you. I've talked about AI side hustles you can try out in one of my videos. I've attached it at the end of this video. Do check it out. Also, let me know in the comment section what AI-powered side hustle you would love to learn. Step 3. Act before it's too late. The same technology that is replacing jobs today is the tool that can secure your income for tomorrow. Don't wait until you are laid off. So here's a challenge for you. Take the next 30 minutes, research one AI tool in your niche and learn its basics. Whether it's for writing, video editing, or digital marketing, commit to mastering one tool that can help you automate and secure your income. The sooner you start, the sooner you build a safety net that the traditional 9-to-5 grind can't simply offer. You see, Chowdeck's layoff of 86 employees is not just a story, it's a wake-up call. It shows us that the old ways of working are crumbling under the pressure of technological advancement. But it also shows that there is a better way, a way to harness AI for your benefit to create an income stream that works for you, even if you lose your job tomorrow. So my friend, don't be caught off guard. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel to learn more about AI-powered income stream.